Yeah. Okay, what are we gonna see? Ooh, a bed. A bed. What is that, a doggy? Let me see. Can I see? What's he doing? A doggy riding a skateboard. That's silly, isn't it? Is he riding a skateboard? Wow. Can you put the pillow back, please? Put it back.
No.
Dog. Here, we'll put it back there. Here we go. Here, doggy. Bye-bye, doggy. Let's go see some more. Oh, that door was open. Thank you for closing the door. Okay, come on, Charlotte. Let's go.
Bye.
Bye, bathroom. Ooh, let's go see the living room. Look at the bench to sit on, a window bench. Wow. Good job. Charlotte, what do you think? What do you think of the window bench? What do you think of the window bench? Hey, hi. Can you sit up, please? Let me see. Charlotte, over here. Come here. Let's go in this room. Come show me this room.
Yeah.
Oh, what are you showing me? Ooh. Raggy? Is that where Raggy goes? Bye, Raggy. Get Raggy out of there, silly. Raggy doesn't belong in there. Close the door, please. No, take Raggy out. Take Raggy out. Can you open? Good. Take Raggy out, please. Good job. Now we close the drawer. Good job. Let's go. Nope, we're done. Let's go. Straight, please. Bye, house. Here, this way. Let's go this way. Go this way. Ooh. Charlotte, this way. Wrong way. We're gonna go this way. Well, that's our show, everyone. Thanks for coming along this tour of Bloomfield Homes here in Mansfield, Texas in the Dove Chase community. We'd love to show you this home or any other homes that are in Dove Chase built by Bloomfield Homes. Maybe you're looking at another area of Dallas-Fort Worth. We could show you those too, right, Charlotte? Bloomfield builds all over Dallas-Fort Worth, and chances are there is a home in an area for you, and we'd love to make it happen. Josh and Charlotte with the Rhodes team, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services in Flower Mound, Texas. Wishing everybody a great day. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.